Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to make a logo which are word marks. So word marks are those logos in which total word, a full word is used to represent a company. So let's take a company which is a service provider. For instance, like we have FM radio and like Radio Mirchi, etc. So in these company logos we find that these companies portray their full name of the company and their bandwidth. So also, like, there are certain companies which provide internet services and online marketing and web browsing, like Google. So even Google is also a word mark. So if we are designing for a company, say which is a service provider in radio FM, so we have to look about its facets. We have to look about its properties or services which these companies are providing. So we find that some words can portray the work of these companies, like audio, okay, and regarding audio we can also have words like zoom, bass, and likewise such words. So we can use these words to make our logo, or we can use these words to give new names to new channels. Okay, so like Radio Mirchi has used the word radio in its logo. So we can use zoom or bass. These are all words which we can connect with the audio, or even radio is used to use or spread music and other informations. And also these words are like words which create interest in the mind of the listener or viewer. So let's take one word. Say let's take bass, or let's take zoom. So we have to use certain font style or stylize our logo. We can use italics, okay, we can use bold letters, or we can use so let's use so we can use zoom and add some more words to it, like zoom, zumba, okay, which would create some interest in the mind of the listener or viewer. We have integrated zoom and BA of bass. So now how we can make it more interesting? One thing you have to understand, that the logo should be very catchy and should be very interesting, and also should have good and bold colors. So we can use a good mix of straight lines and curves. like this. So we have used the alignment in the italic form, and we have also used thick fonts. Now if we use the bandwidth, also mention the bandwidth here, then our logo will be complete. Say the bandwidth is 98.5 or 96.7, so we can mention it here. Give an outline to this logo. Now we have to finish our design.